Okay, welcome everybody. This is the first Newcomers meeting. This is a place for everybody who is just starting out with the projects and doesn't have a place to get started. It's something we've all been through and something every newcomer goes through. Please add your names to the meeting minutes. Please add any topics to the agenda that you want to discuss or debate or demo. We don't bite, not on a good day anyway. And today we have some tutorials planned, some discussions, and I think even a demo. So that's it. Don't feel shy. Please keep adding your names to the meeting minutes. Speak up if you want to. Turn your videos on if you want to, and you'll be good to go. So in this meetings we'll be conducting one every Thursday, and we'll be doing short tutorials on ways to get you started out with the Layer5 projects. Today, on the first call, we are doing a tutorial on Jekyll because 3 of the Layer5 sites run on Jekyll, and we've had a couple of contributors having issues with running Jekyll on their operating system. Currently, we'll have tutorials for Windows, Linux, and macOS. You can also refer to the official Jekyll documentation for this, but we'll be pointing out to any obvious issues that you might have. Okay. Hey, is it any better now? Hello?
Yeah. Hello. Um.
Is it any better now?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah.
All right. Ruth, am I audible now?
I think Say isn't here at the call.
Oh,
I could hear you clearly.
great. I have I don't know why, but she was there like a minute ago, and there was a much longer list of people. Let me just check once.
Okay.
Yeah, does somebody knows what happened?
I'm also
I was
thinking about
wondering the
that.
same.
I asked, but I'm waiting for the reply. That's it.
Maybe some glitch of maybe.
Yeah.
I have a question. Why are
Yeah.
the new? Just tell me.
Uh, Joy, Joy, can I call you Joy?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, you weren't audible just when you asked the question. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying that why are we using Zoom?
why are we using Zoom?
Yeah,
I don't know. Personally, I
maybe
feel uh,
maybe Discord
uh,
is better, I guess.
maybe. Sorry, what?
Discord.
Yeah, Discord is better. I think. Um, I personally prefer Meet or maybe Microsoft Teams or something else, but not Zoom. But, yeah,
Meet is well optimized though, but Cisco WebEx or Microsoft Teams is also good.
yeah.
Actually, Zoom has Zoom can accommodate a lot of people at once. I think that's why they choose Zoom over Meet or Being.
Is
My
there
opinion.
some limit on Meet or is it only for the
Yeah,
Zoom?
I think there is 6 people limit. I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
No.
On
This
Meet.
actually this Meet session is sponsored. Okay, so I mean, if it
Oh,
gets
I see.
an amount of money for some for like hosting any session, then it will be like free for up to 350 people, which I guess is
Oh,
much more.
Yeah, actually, in fact on Zoom we can only 40 people can join if it was a free version,
Yeah,
but in a paid version, I think it has limit. Like for this version, you will get 100, you will get for this you will get 200 and something like that.
it depends upon the amount.
Yeah,
yeah.
I don't know what
This
happened.
meeting is for newcomers, right?
Yeah, and
Why
there are
Yeah,
are
no
they?
newcomers, right? I was uh, I was thinking the same thing that where are they means
Yeah,
this meeting for them.
yeah,
actually,
right.
this organization is growing, but it will take time. I mean, people are there, but they are not coming into the call. That's where the problem is.
Yeah, actually, I think not most, many of them just join the Slack and they just don't do anything. Like,
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
just check in and check out.
there are 990 members in this organization right now on Slack, and I'm sure that maybe 900 of them aren't doing anything. But
Right.
That's kind of like a good fact.
Um,
But it happens everywhere. Like I've been into public lag before coming to layer 5, and I've been into them for a long time. And like in public lag, I've been maybe 8 months or 1 year, maybe near to 1 year. There, actually, what happened is that there people used to come, and then they suddenly said that they will discontinue to hold this kind of meeting over this online platforms, and that's how it all got over. Now it all happens on PRs and creating issues and all that stuff.
let's see if the newcomers join in later meetings.
yeah,
Fingers crossed. Right.
I don't know if they will be joining this one. Actually, this meeting had two purposes. So first was providing a kind of tutorial to the newcomers, so that, for example, in this meeting, the plan was to demo how to set up the build environment for Jekyll that is used to build the UIs for the layer 5 sites, so that newcomers won't face problems like installing Ruby and setting all these things up. And
Yeah,
by recording this video and putting it somewhere, then also we can, uh, uh, then they can they don't have to attend this meeting, right? They can just go there and yeah, this is the issue I am facing. Let's just do this.
yeah. Actually, the topic topic is that we can do real-time conversation with people over the meeting. That's the thing.
Yeah, yeah. And this meeting was like, if someone has more doubts about that, so he or she will ask them.
Yes, one-to-one matter.
Yeah,
By the way, where is Preeti and Lee? That's the question which strike me.
yeah. Actually, I know. I think Lee wasn't going to join this meeting. Actually, he
Okay.
was busy with something else. And actually, in fact, I had a meeting with him just before this, and I saw his calendar in that meeting, and he is pretty much packed. Like he's very busy, so maybe that's why he isn't going to join this meeting. Actually, there is this another meeting, right? So
Yeah,
this
after
this
this.
meeting, the purpose of this meeting, the goal is to basically help to provide some tutorials to solve some doubts. But there is this another meeting, right? I think developer community or something. And that meeting, Lee is there, and so basically we can talk to him and in that meeting. And I don't think he will be joining this meeting in the future also. But yeah, other meetings he will be joining them.
Yeah. Maybe I
And
can.
Shriti, I don't know where she went, but I
Yeah,
missed.
I also pinged her, but I think she's not available right now.
Maybe some network issue or something. I don't know. Ah, so, yeah. And what about you guys? Are you student or uh,
Yeah,
doing
I'm
course?
pre-final year.
Yeah, pre-final. Okay. And
I'm in
sure.
third year.
Uh,
Same kind of.
Yeah.
thanks. I'm in fourth.
Oh,
Okay.
that's great. Yeah, online classes are being held, right?
Yeah. Actually, I think
Oh,
mine started a week before, and yeah, in these 2 3 days, I was doing some assignments and all those things. So it's kind of
Where are you
busy.
from, Dev?
I am from Haryana, Bahadurgarh. It's in Delhi NCR. So
Okay,
and
oh,
I'm from Kolkata.
okay, it's pretty far, right?
Yes, I've been to
I'm
Haryana
from
like
Bangladesh.
5 years ago, maybe. Yeah,
Okay.
5 years ago. It was a cool journey though.
And Joy, you are from?
I am from Bangladesh. Yeah, University of Barishal.
Oh, yeah. So there is another participant here. Clear. Hey, hi.
Hi, Claire.
Clear. Hi, clear.
From Nigeria. Good afternoon.
Oh,
Maybe I can share my screen and go on with the topics that we are going forward today.
Yeah, I think we can do it, right?
Let's wait for some time for Sriti. I pinged her, but
Yeah, I do figure. I don't know. Is it mine or just Slack isn't working properly? I don't know.
maybe Slack is. But what is happening is that in these times the servers are getting a very high uptime, so and also hits from different sources of the world. So maybe
Yeah,
a glitch is creating here. That.
yeah, right, yeah, right. Because online classes, online meetings
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah,
basically. Yeah.
and
yeah,
lots of
right.
hackathon too.
Dave, Patek, Claire. See you later. I have a meeting scheduled with my professor. In
Oh,
5 minutes.
I understand. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Take care, guys. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. So what should we do? Should we start with this or I think
Maybe we
maybe
can
we,
discuss the problem.
maybe we can discuss or maybe we have to postpone this because
We can postpone this, but I think if we have time,
yeah,
maybe
just 1 second. Is there some another meeting link or something? I don't know.
yeah, after this kind of, let me see. Maybe it will be starting from 10 uh, IST kind of. Let me see. Uh,
Just wanted to check if this is the same meeting or this is something else because yeah, it's the same.
no, no, no. It's only one for today.
Yeah, actually, right now, someone just pinged in the Newcomers channel, and then I was thinking like maybe there is some another meeting going on that we don't know, and we are just discussing some things here.
Maybe I can share my screen and we can discuss the problem.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Wait a minute.
So
Is it
when did you two join, Pratyay and yeah,
sorry?
Layer 5? When did you two join Layer 5?
I actually joined in layer maybe in the midweek of July.
Oh,
Is it visible right now?
it's visible, but yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so the problems we are trying, what is happening? Um, Not this. Okay, is it visible right now?
Yeah, it's visible.
So I was proposing a major revamp to this page. What I
Okay.
was talking about that there are lots of points. Let me open that drive.
Uh,
What was it? It was here maybe. Huh, here. What is
okay,
the
so
problem?
you were talking about basically redesigning the UI, right?
Yeah, the on the I was saying that if we can redesign the UI and can revamp something like uh, let me show you.
Yeah, that's
I said to decrease the SMB band loop size from here, like um, okay, here. Let me put it here. Okay. So what is happening with Zoom? Maybe this is an issue. One second, one second. Let me fix it.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So is it visible right now?
It, it's visible.
Okay, so I was saying to decrease the SMB brand logo size because this logo itself is taking a lot of space over here. So if
Yeah,
we can reduce the size, then the number dimension will reduce to a greater extent, I guess.
yeah,
Okay, the next point was decrease the number height dimension. It was related for this also. So if we reduce the number, this text will also be reduced, right? For text to view, and there we can add another section called blog maybe.
yeah.
The next topic was we can include a yellow on hover color over this. As you can see over here, it is going gray.
Yeah, right.
I was talking about this color.
This, yeah, yeah. Okay, cool.
And the fourth one was actually what I was talking about, that if we zoom in and zoom out this page, you can see this, right? I was talking about to make something like this. I made this page for creating, like, I mean, for recording videos from browser only. If you can see over here, what I did is that I changed the value of background height and its width to 100% and set it on auto, so that if I zoom it out, then the background image will remain where it is, but this text will go and reduce the scale. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So I was thinking to implement something like that on this, on here, on this page. And the fourth one is like shifting the standardizing value management, like shifting this. If I implement that thing over here, then I have to shift this part a little bit of center, I guess, and also change the position of this button. And okay, I also proposed to add a simple scroll down button over here and maybe over here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
um, I also said to reduce the excessive padding because Preeti opened an issue. Grid was not here. I mean, I was talking about this. Like, there's excessive padding between the two sections, as you can see. We can reduce this part to change the length of the page, I guess, to reduce the length of the page. And there are three subsections under the contributor section. Sorry, yeah, this part. I guess we can add another section over here, subsection actually, for contribute to layer 5. What's it?
For contributing, yeah, we can. For there's one here for contributing, right? You want to add another
Yeah,
one?
maybe it's here.
No, actually, just go on that three.
Okay,
So the
this one.
first one is contributing, right? No, 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 no.
Then
The three that you were showing, the first one is contributing, right?
yes, this part is contributing, but he told me to add another space for to add space for or allow room for extra items or sub items over here. That's why I said that if we can add a GitHub logo over here, another section for now, and then we can add a contributing part. I actually overlooked this part. It was
Oh,
there.
okay.
Okay. I proposed Lee to add a kind of like card-like structure over here, like what is there in the layer 5 IO page. I mean,
Yeah,
here,
yeah, yeah. I see.
like this, or maybe like this, um, maybe like this
Yeah,
over these parts. And also, this is also an important part. Like we can reduce the size of these logos a bit. Actually, these are SVGs, I guess, and then align them horizontally in a single line.
yeah. That would. But what if more contributors come? Then
Then we will
every
allow
time,
more room for adding them.
instead of what I want to suggest is instead of doing that, what you can do is you can just center them. So layer 5 Google, HashiCorp, Cloud Native, CNCF, fine. Then Texas would be in center, like contributors. It should
Okay,
be under
you are
contributors.
you're saying that keeping this in center, right?
Yeah.
And then
So
if
that,
somebody adds that, then it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6.
yeah, 5, 6, and yeah, that exactly. Like the fifth one would be under Google, and the sixth one would be under HashiCorp.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Because if you implemented it that way, you won't have to change the uh, styling of this code in the future.
Actually,
You
I
just have to
what I
add the
was doing
icons,
is
right?
that I was changing here in my local. Actually, I did this, and I just need to align them in center, right? So I reduce the size of this, and that's it for now. And I will shift them in center. I haven't done that, but I will do that.
Yeah,
Uh, okay, so the next part was adding images in the newsletter, like what is there in the layer 5, like this over in here. Maybe it's an optional part, but we can.
yeah, we can. Actually,
Uh,
that some things are like you have to first implement them, then see that how they are looking, are they good or not, and then only we can decide. Some things are like that, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Hidden parameter, kind of.
Yeah,
Okay. Next part was the footer part. Actually, it looks pretty dull. We can change or modify it to kind of like this,
yeah, good.
and add a Twitter card over here for, and we'll redirect it and we'll fetch the data from SMP Twitter page, I guess. There's a page SMP, maybe. Yeah, there's a page. So we'll collect all the data from there, and also scroll to top button over here, which is optional, I guess. But I said that to Lee, and he said, okay, we can do that. And also there is a big issue in mobile view, this part, as you can see.
Oh, okay, yeah. This isn't looking good, right?
Yeah,
The extra padding, yeah.
so we can fix this. And the final thing is adjust the
This name,
margin.
just 1 second. The name of the site is SMP Spec to Tile, right?
Yes.
I was just trying to open this on my mobile and see. Yeah, you can go ahead.
And the final one was adjusting the margins and title side of the page layout for blogs. Like as I said, we can improve this, like this thing. I actually opened a PR, but actually what happened is that it is working in my local, as you can see over here. We forget to add the author and the publish date, and I
Hey, hey,
added that.
just 1 second. The meeting is going on, and I don't know where, but I think the link was wrong or something. Yeah, the meeting is going on. Just 1 second. I will.
It is going on, I guess, because it's
Yeah,
taking
just
recording. Shall I continue?
no. Actually, we have to join some on the other link.
Okay, 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 okay,
So Shruti might be sending you that link there, and but you can just leave this meeting. Yeah,
okay, okay, okay. It will be
yeah.
better.
Yeah, just 1 second. I will check my Slack if I am logged in
Yeah,
in
okay,
my
okay, sure.
laptop. I will just send it in this meeting. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I am logged in. Just 1 second. I will send it.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Uh,
it.
yeah. This is
Okay,
the link. If you haven't, then you can use
save there,
this.
save there. Okay, okay, okay.